Hello, in this video of Simuland version 4 series, we will demonstrate the IPWatchDog function which has been primarily developed for automatic monitoring and restart of connected cameras to ports with PoE support. Over time, however, it has extended to the event management, so during outage of configured IP address it is not only possible to restart the PoE, but also do other actions that event management offers. As you can probably tell from the IPWatchDog name, this tool is used to monitor specific IP addresses by using ARP queries. Its settings can be found in the device configuration under Extensions menu. For ports that support PoE power, it is displayed in the name. For others without PoE, it is necessary to follow up to the event which informs you about an outage. Now I'll show you how to configure the switch to restart PoE when a failure occurs to the end device connected to the port. Set the following parameters. Name. For clarity, each watchdog can be named. IP address is the IP address of the monitored device. Retry count is then the number of sent IP request before the device is declared as inaccessible. Checkbox Restart PoE allows restarting PoE power for the end device. This property is bound to the port. In the case that the IP address is unavailable, the PoE will restart just on that one port, or it is possible to restart PoE on the port P1 even when the monitored device is connected somewhere else in the network. Restart PoE timeout is the time how long of a time the PoE shuts down for when a failure occurs. Its maximum timeout length is 120 seconds. The switch is sending requests at regular intervals using the ARP query to the specified IP address. In case of unavailability, it repeats the query X times by the value entered in the retry count box. If the device does not respond to the next queries, switch deactivates PoE on port P1 for the time specified in restart PoE timeout box. Upon expiration of this timer, the PoE is reactivated. The switch continues to poll the IP address and waits for a reply. Unless the device answers, PoE won't ever restart again. As a second example, we'll show you how IPWatchDog unites with event management. We can enter another address or use one that is already entered. Go into the event management configuration. Select IPWatchDog as the input event. In channel we choose IPWatchDog to which we want to respond. Its parameters can also be set from event management as it's interconnected with IPWatchDog. Furthermore, the mode that will be applied. In this case, we will respond both to the connection and the disconnection by using the function direct. Connect only performs once if the IP address is available. Disconnect when it's inaccessible. Change is done each time the connect/disconnect status changes. It does not distinguish the current status, only reacts to the change itself. The active property then specifies when it reacts to the event. Connected IP address is available. Disconnected is unavailable. In output module we can select any of the displayed ones from the list. For example, we're going to be switching on the relay. We select the correct output, switch has only one, and then mode is set/reset, or if we want to negate the function, reset/set, both modes are opposed to the direct input function. Now, in the case of a failure, the PoE will be restarted, and it will be displayed on relay state whether the IP address is available or not. We can of course send this event to the network and react on another switch, expansion module, or send an email, move a camera and more that use the output part of the event management. If anything seemed unclear, please, don't hesitate to contact our technical support. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and becoming a regular viewer. Thank you for your attention and I look forward to seeing you in our next video where we talk about the camera tool.